Doing homework. Doing homework is an important part of my daily routine. It helps me practice what I learned in school and prepare for future lessons. I always try to do my homework right after school so I don't forget about it later. I start by checking my planner to see what assignments are due. I make sure to read the instructions carefully so I know exactly what to do. Sometimes, my homework is simple, like answering questions from a book, but other times it can be a little more difficult. When I find something hard, I ask my parents or teachers for help. I enjoy working on projects that let me be creative, like making posters or writing essays. Doing homework is not always fun, but it helps me improve my skills and knowledge. It's also important for me to stay organized so I don't fall behind. I always make sure to finish my homework before I play or watch TV, so I don't feel guilty. When I finish, I feel proud of myself for doing a good job. Homework is an important responsibility, and it helps me become more independent and disciplined. It also gives me a chance to review what I learned in class and make sure I understand it. Sometimes, I work with my friends on homework, which makes it more fun and easier.